In this video, I'll be showing 8 months of work that has been done in a 30 by 40 east facing site. It's a duplex house with a 3 bedroom, and in the ground floor there is one single BHK and also a shop area as well. I will also walk through the building and show you some interesting things that has been incorporated in this building. This is a east facing site which is 30 by 40. The plan is like this. So ground floor to have a single BHK house along with a shop area, and then it is also going to have a space for car parking and bike parking as well. Now first floor to second floor is going to be the duplex, where first floor is going to have a single bedroom house with a spacious living area, a spacious kitchen, a puja room, and the second floor is going to be 2 bedroom. So this is how the plan is going to be. So let me show you the complete steps that happen for 3 months so that you can understand everything. And if you're somebody who is constructing a house, this will give you a lot more idea on how exactly the construction is going to happen, so that you can make sure that everything is going to be done in the right way. And at the same time, if you're somebody who is into civil industry and if you want to understand how things are done, again this will give you the clarity as well. And again, for people who are just interested to know how everything happens, so this is a great way for you to understand the fantastic work that happens during construction. Okay, so again, here is the 3-month work which I'll be showing to you in 17 minutes. let me share the plan of this ground floor. So this is where the parking area is, and this is where it is going to have the entrance for single bedroom house, and this is going to be the hall, and this is the kitchen. Now here is the washroom, and this is the bedroom. Now if you see this area, this is going to be the shop area. So this is how the ground floor plan is. So let me explain the plan of this house. So ground floor is single bedroom house with one shop and car parking area. Once somebody comes to the first floor, so this is how it looks. And what do you see here? So this is the living area, and also you see the square section there. So that's the puja room, and you see the steps there, which is going to the next floor. Now that's going to make it as a duplex house, and in the second floor it is going to be 2-bedroom house. Now coming over here, so this is a spacious kitchen with also the attached dining area, and you could see this is very spacious. And right over there, so that's a bedroom. Now it has a attached bathroom just behind the stairs. Now you see there is a section behind that, so that's where the attached bathroom comes. me explain you the second floor plan. So this is duplex. So you see from first floor to second floor is duplex, and that's where they would enter, and they have common area over there. And this is going to be the balcony. So you see this entire area, that's a balcony, and they have two bedrooms here. So this is one attached bedroom. So the other one is, that's the attached bedroom. So you see the bedroom there, and that side is the bathroom, right? So similarly here is the bedroom with that being the bathroom. So quite spacious, and this is how the plan of second floor looks like. So you could see this right now. So this is the second floor slab. Now what you're seeing is all those white pipes are the electrical pipes. There are points that have been left for the fan, lighting and everything. And that's where they are going to come to the top floor, or the staircase, the opening space that is there. So this has been made to make sure that proper curing happens. You see all the water that has been put on the top. So this is the top floor, and this is where from the duplex house they would be coming to the top. So that section. And also electrical work has started. So you could see that they are doing the wiring things as well. So this is the puja room, and this is how it looks right now. And if you could see, the polycab wires have been used here. ಸರ್ ವೈರಿಂಗ್ಗೆ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ ಟೈಮ್ ತೊಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ?
ಸರ್ ವೈರಿಂಗ್
ಹಾಂ,
ಇದು ನಮಗೆ
ಒಂದು ವಾರ. Okay. So usually for getting the complete wiring, internal wiring work done, it would take roughly about 4 to 5 days. So this is how it looks right now. And if I just come inside here, so to the kitchen area, you could see the plumbing work has also been done here now. There's a plumbing work, and they are doing the electrical wiring work here. So what they are doing right now is they are actually cleaning this thing. So once they clean this, then they will pass the wires inside that. So 2 ಲಕ್ಷ ಜನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನು. ಈ ತಂತಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು? So first thing is they will actually clean all these points. So you see here, so that's a fan point right now. Okay. So that's where the junction section is there. From there the wires are going to pass right now. So you see polycab 4.0. So this is the wire that has been getting used now. Okay. So now they are going to pass the wires. So what they are going to do right now is they are going to pass that wires. Doing right now, there is a cable something like this which they have already put. Okay, so for that cable they are going to connect the wires and pull it from this. So you see this. So this is how they actually pass the wire and pull it from the other side. Show that how exactly they pull the wires. So you could see all these places they have already done that work. Okay, it's been done, and this is how it looks right now in the second floor. This is second floor. So this is one master bedroom. So all the pipes have been covered with the cement now. The plumber work has been done here. That's for the exhaust fan. So this is the place for washing machine. This is another hall. This is how it looks. This is a master bedroom washroom here. Again, a double layer or triple layer waterproofing would be done so that there is no water leak that happens to the floor below. So this is the puja room right here, and you see something like this. Okay. Now let me just quickly go down. And now you could see that they would start pulling the wires. Okay. So you see. So using that cable, they just pulled wire here to the distribution point. Again, you see there are a lot more wires that are there, right? So they would actually connect to that and then pull it from there. So this is a spring they use to pass it inside the pipes, okay, electrical pipe. So it can easily slide and go right now. So if I can just show you, right, so it becomes easy for them to push and take it to the next point. That's how they do it. Now you see they are pulling from the other side. See this. So that is how. So they push the spring from this point, it went to that point, from that point it is going to that point. Now it becomes easy for them to pull wire from this point to that point. Same here, they are using the spring to push it, pull it over there. So what they will do right now, they are going to pull this wire. So from this point it will go to all those points. So take this. So they are holding all the wires together now. ಹಂಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗಿಗೆ ಜೋಡಿಸ್ತೀರಾ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್ ಆದರೆ. So what they are doing right now, they are taking this wire up. It came over there. Now if you see, they are putting the tape for the spring and also for the wire. Now it becomes easy for them to pull it. Okay. Okay. Now you see they are going to pull. So all the running electrical pipes are about 1 inch. So these wires are going to pass through that. I see. So they are pulling that now. Okay. See, it came over there. So they have connected that as well. Now they are pulling it from here. Yeah, you see, all the wires are coming from this point. Now from this point it is going to move to that point. From that point they are pulling it to here. that's how they actually get the wires from one point to another point. Again, this is a 3 BHK duplex house which is east facing. Ground floor there is a uh, single room or single bedroom house for rental purpose and one shop area. I'm right now taking you to the top floor and show you the other work that has also been done. And again, they also got the tiles. I'm going to show you that as well. They're called as smart marbles. Okay, so you could see right now there is plumber work and other things are also that are happening. The pipes that have been running. Some steel work is happening here. So that's how it looks at the top floor. And again, you could see this beautiful thing where the sunlight is directly going to fall on the puja room as well. So this is how it looks. I'm going to quickly show you the kind of tiles and the granite that is going to be used in this building. Let me just quickly walk you to that place. Again, that's the balcony area. So this is how it is. Okay, we are right now moving towards the first floor. The elevation work is happening here. So these are smart marbles. Okay, so this is being made from the granite powder. You see, this is how it looks. It has a very smooth finishing. You can see this as well. So the price of it is roughly about 55 rupees per square feet. And this is another one which is about 90 rupees per square feet, which is going to be used for the work. This is how it looks. So once they start laying, I am going to show you those videos as well. So this the smart marbles or the tiles that you say, it is going to be used for cladding here in this place. And this is the granite which is going to be used for steps and other things. That's roughly about 120 rupees per square feet. So all this work I am going to show you at a later point in time. And just to show you, so this is a single bedroom house in the ground floor. I step out. Here is the shop area as well. Okay, that's how it looks. And showing you the elevation from this side. This is how the elevation looks from the side. Again, this is the east facing, that side is the east. Okay, so this is how it looks from the side. Let me show you from the front. So showing you from the front, this is how it is looking right now. Again, all those places the cladding is going to come. So I'm going to share a lot more videos around this. If you also want to create content and earn money by creating videos, then just click on the link in the video description to attend my 90 minutes social media monetization masterclass.